Alright, we're getting ready to do a Monster Moto Mega 80 rear swing arm kit. So, it's a drag bike. And by drag bike, I mean it's really not a drag bike right now. It's not anything right now. So, we got ourselves, yeah, that piece of metal. I already cut out a bit right there. We're gonna cut that bit out right there. See, this bit's here, right? Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, that shock, it's gonna go from right there. And it's gonna go up. It's gonna go right up and around here.
Hello, America.
Let's get on with the build. So, Brian's holding it. You're holding it, right?
Got it.
Oh, well, not that.
Oh, that.
That. Oh, that. Alright,
What's that?
let's do it. Back here with the rear swing arm on the mini Mega Moto 80. So, got these pieces tacked in. Got the rear mount tacked in. And now we're working on the top mount. And we'll get them on here. They're gonna go tucked in right down there. Shock's gonna be right in there with those tabs. Alright, so we have everything about ready to tack in this top little shock right here. Gonna hit it on this side right down there. And go around to that side. Right now I'm welding out the area that won't be able to be reached once the supports are added. Got these supports here. They are lined up pretty good. I like it. Gonna weld these in now. Uh-oh.
Looking good, bro. You can just gusset this right here. You can make a flat plate and yeah, just a little flat triangle with a little boot cut out. Good.
We're back here another day working on the mini drag bike, getting it going with full suspension. So I've welded a bit. Alright, that's it for tonight, folks. I will catch you guys tomorrow just like that. Let's say this side's the good side. This side, there's a little bit of a gap I had to work on, and it's not my best work. Just gotta clean it up. But it's looking good. Alright, this is going to be the motor we are using. So right here you can see there is the 224 Predator motor. Also, the exhaust will be fully custom and it should sound pretty darn good when it gets started. I hope you're looking forward to it as much as I am. I just finished the exhaust. Welded that up. Had to do some clearancing for that nut. Otherwise, it's fitting real tight against that spring. I'm liking it. I really wanted to keep it tucked inside there. Next up, that oil catch can. Mounted it up there. And everything is vented as well. The things you gotta do sometimes. I want to make a bracket to hold this battery holder, but figured if I'm gonna make it, I actually have to weld this around it. Alright, now that that's done successfully, just gotta weld this one in. It's right about there. Then it's gonna be hole, hole, another hole, and then the studs will come up from the bottom here, going up 1, 2, and 3 back here, and then it will just sandwich that down, mount that battery nice and tight while that swing arm goes bam, 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 bam. We are getting jiggy with the clampage here. 1, 2, 3. Got the wire going through. So here we have the top of the battery, and then I just finished the bottom right here. So you can see I welded the tops of those. Those are just bolts going upward, and then I lopped off the bottom of the bolt underneath. So that works out great, and then I also just welded in that bar for some rear foot pegs. Should be nice and strong. Now all that's left is to assemble it, throw on this gas tank, swing arm, seat, and give it its first startup. Looking pretty good. Alright, it's time for the first start of the motor. I don't have the chain hooked up or anything yet, just testing the motor right now, seeing how it starts, seeing how it sounds. Hey, it's gonna be loud. Got it started! This thing's running good. That sun is going down quick. You gotta hurry up and get out to Mexico for testing. Alright, well, here we are. I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple rips. That thing's a fucking animal. Oh man, only 6,500 RPM. There was not enough space there. That was a lot of fun though. Looks like I went through a bit of mud. Yeah. Alright, did I melt my seat? Well, I don't think so. That's good. Alright, the sun is going down now. I got a great test rip in, and it is going flawlessly. There's always improvements that could be made, but right now I just need some more space to do some more testing because I barely got into it, and then there's a bunch of sticks. So I don't know if this is the greatest spot to be testing.